In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We'll walk through how to build an AI agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio from first sign-in all the way to publishing, keeping things clear, practical, and easy to follow. Start by signing in at copilotstudio.microsoft.com. Once you're in, create a new AI agent. Give it a clear, memorable name that reflects what it will help users do. Next, define its purpose by providing a knowledge base. The simplest way is to point it to a website you trust or upload documents that contain the information your agent should rely on. The quality and relevance of these sources will directly shape how helpful your agent is, so choose accurate, up-to-date content and avoid anything sensitive. With the basics in place, move into designing your conversation flows using nodes. Think of nodes as building blocks for each part of the dialogue: a message to the user, a question you want to ask, or a decision point. Lay out the path you expect users to follow, keeping instructions concise and responses friendly. It helps to write prompts in plain language so users always know what to do next. As you build, test right inside the built-in canvas. The test pane lets you try the agent as if you were a user, so you can see how messages appear, confirm that the flow moves correctly from node to node, and fix anything that feels confusing. Make small adjustments and test often. It's the fastest way to improve clarity. To make your agent more flexible, add generative answers. This allows the agent to draw from your knowledge base to handle questions you didn't explicitly script. Keep your sources focused to guide the agent toward accurate, consistent responses. If an answer seems off, refine your content or tighten the prompt in your flow. Now set up actions. Actions let the agent do things like look up information or perform a task based on what the user says. Connect an action to a point in your flow where it makes sense. Pass it the right inputs, and confirm that the result returns to the conversation naturally. You can also add conditional logic to make the conversation smarter. For example, use age-based branching to guide users down different paths when they indicate they're under or over a certain age. This creates tailored experiences without overcomplicating your design. When everything looks good in testing, publish your agent. That makes it available for real use. Review once more, publish, and you're ready to share your Copilot with your audience.